This is Points Castle. We run a dairy herd along the Pembrokeshire coast. The farm itself is run by our family. The ice cream parlour is situated in the heart of the farm. Customers are able to come onto farm, see the cows grazing today's grass, knowing full well that'll be tomorrow's ice cream. For over 10 years, it's been an ambition of ours to produce and sell produce from the farm. Cywain have been an invaluable source of support, signposting, and general encouragement. You're running another business like a farm, you haven't got time to search everywhere for what you should be doing next, and Cywain are there to offer that support for businesses like ours to get off the ground, set you goals and markers and timescales to get things done. So yeah, it's definitely something I would recommend to any startup business.
Mermaid Seafoods is a wholesale and retail fish business in Llandudno. Cywain are fantastic. They've helped us, especially in the last couple of years with the rebranding and the move. They helped us with our open day and our new website, advertising and social media site. If we need local produce, we want suppliers, they can help us there. They have been really, really good. They're an asset to our business.
Making sea salt is like playing chess. It's reasonably easy to learn the principles, but it's difficult to master the details. We make our salt by hand so that we can check it at every stage.
Over the years with Cywain, we really have benefited hugely by going on workshops, meet the buyer events, and also from the cluster meetings. They're an informal opportunity to sit down and discuss problems or challenges. They're all about collaborating, sharing resources and working together for businesses to cooperate competitively.
We feel passionately that Wales can't compete on quantity. We can't be the biggest in the world, but we can be the best.
Gychwynnodd Hufen Arfon yn ôl yn 1938, grŵp o gynhyrchwyr llaeth lleol yn rhoi busnes at ei gilydd mwyn adio gwerth i'r llaeth oedden nhw'n gynhyrchu. Da ni'n gwneud 15 math gwahanol o gaws yma yn yr Hufenfa, o gaws mwyn 3 mis oed i gaws aeddfed sy'n bron i 19 mis oed. Da ni'n cynhyrchu'r cynnyrch yma a da ni wedyn yn mynd ar caws i o gyfaidd yn Llechwedd yn Blaenau Ffestiniog a mynd â fo dan y ddaear i gadw mewn awyrgylch arbennig am 3 mis ychwanegol. Mae'r rheolwr datblygu Cywain wedi rhoi llawer o gymorth i ni, enwedig i'r tîm gwerthu ar gael wybodaeth allan o'r farchnad ac hefyd datblygu cynnyrch newydd. Bwriad ni yw tyfu eto dros y blynyddoedd nesaf yma. Beth sy'n bwysig i ni yma yn yr Hufenfa bod ni'n adio gwerth i'r llaeth yn cynhyrchwyr ni, a dyna di'r her fwyaf i ni ŵan ag i'r dyfodol.
I produce locally based fudge at home in my kitchen in Neyland by combining sugar and milk and chocolate, and then we add other local based ingredients. Cywain really helped with the design of the packaging. It grabs people's attention and it conveys who I am as a business, so to get that right was really important. Starting a micro business is hard work, so having Cywain to help you manage your time better so that you can get your full potential from what you are making really helps.
Y secret o fod yn gwynynwr dda yw chi goffo gweithio gyda natur, ddim mynd yn erbyn trwy amser. Dechreuais i cadw gwenyn nôl yn 2010, ond troes i'r hobi mewn i busnes 3 mlynedd yn ôl. So mae Cywain wedi cyflwyno i fi prynwyr mowr sy'n dod o wlad hyn ac ymellach, a bydd wedi bod yn gared iawn i fi cwrdd â nhw heblaw ni. Mae fod yn part o clwster Cywain wedi bod yn help fawr i fi, le ni'n siarad gyda gwynynwyr arall sydd yn yr un busnes, a fel arfer bydd nhw wedi bod yn y cystadleuaeth i ni, ond nawr ni'n gweithio gyda'n gilydd a helpu'n gilydd allan hefyd. Nes i diagnostic twf arlosodd i fusnes bwyd a diod gyda Cywain, a pwrpas y diagnostic oedd i weld y mannau cryf yn y busnes a'r mannau gwan yn y busnes, a fel oedd y peth gorau i ni neu wedyn ni i tyfu busnes ac i symud ymlaen. I ni'n gweld y dyfodol yn llachar iawn i'r gwenyn Griffith. I ni'n mynd i codi'r rhif y wenyn yn fwy, cynhyrchu fwy o mel, a i credu bod ni ar-lein lot yn fwy na beth i ni nawr, a fi'n disgwyl mlaen i wneud na gyda help o Cywain.